Hello everyone. Today's video is going to be really special because I'm going to show you how you can use the Omni model completely for free. The best part is this is a brand new feature, so very few people know about it. And look how many options are here. For example, under create, you can generate text to video content. You can also add your avatar and include your own elements. There is also an edit option here. For instance, if you upload a video or paste it in a raw clip or camera recording, you can make any kind of edit to it. If you want to change the background or do anything else with the video, you will need to upload a 10-second clip here and then you can modify it. Next come the animate feature. Here you can add your own image and create animation however you like. You will get all three features: create, edit and animate. If you watch the video carefully all the way throughout, skipping any part, because if you skip a part, I'm already keeping the video short and trying to explain everything as simple as possible. If you skip part anyway, you might not understand it well or you will miss something. So without any further talking, to do that, open any web browser, go to the search bar and type Google Vids, then click on the very first result, the official Vids website. From there, click on sign in to Vids, then enter your email address and select the correct one. After that, you will see the screen like mine. From there, you will see an interface like this. From here, you will need to choose your aspect ratio, meaning whether you want landscape, portrait or square. We will usually select landscape and close this. Then you will see an option on the side. There are many options here. You need to click on the AI video option on the side, but before clicking on it, give your project name. For example, today's video I'm going it Omni, then click on AI video option. Here you can use it as you like. This mainly applies to Google Vids, and if you have a Gemini Pro plan, your limit might increase even further. It's a new product tool and this is how it works. So I'm going also a video to generate a live video to show you. I'm clicking on the rebuild or remake option here. The prompt is automatically appeared here. Now I'll paste the prompt. As you can see, my video started generating, but with this free plan you can generate around 50 videos in a month. So I will show you after the generating complete, and that's it guys. Here it is guys, you can see the video is successfully generated. You can use it and editing and downloading as well. And that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.